Okay, guys, we are back at it with CRKN, the Crown Electric. Crown is getting up to the most active volume on the market in the last trading day, going up to about 800 million in volume, almost up to that 1 billion. Only being followed up by GCTK with about 500,000 in volume. We'll be watching these few stocks pick up again in the upcoming week. These few stocks are all out of compliance. Yo, CRKN, GCTK, and RIME, all of them are as well talking about enacting they reverse splits. They shareholder meetings already approved they reverse splits. You want to watch out for these upcoming events, and we can go ahead and open that up and see if we can see an actual date for that so you don't get caught in any traps. So they say the board now has the discretion to enact the reverse split with the ratio of not less than 1 for 2, going all the way up to 1 for 200. They not even telling you exactly how much in this one. They just telling you about they telling you what they're doing between. And what they saying is we can pretty much do anything from the lowest all the way up to 100 to 1 to 200, and that's gonna put them back into compliance either way, which would be good for them. But the only thing is, this ain't the first time they done tried to do this. Look at how high they price been. They done did all kinds of reverse splits throughout CRKN's years of being on the markets, and they have never been able to hold up. It's a new year now. Maybe things change. What about their balance sheets? As their balance sheets do start to increase with more assets outdoing liabilities, this is very good. Now, this is showing signs of strength coming in, showing signs of them actually getting some work done and whatnot. Look at their short interest to be able to see that they are not big in that short interest. In fact, we can go look over on your FinTel to be able to see what they available short shares are, and in the last trading day they are still big in those short shares available. You say you need another example to be able to compare that to. Well, let's go check out RGTI for example to compare that to, and we can see in the last trading days how RGTI is small. They only have 100,000 shares available to short. They're getting ready to come in for a squeeze versus how you were just seeing on your last stock. Crown Electric. That's a massive still. That has 3,100,000 shares available to short. It's gonna take a lot more pressure in here. And they getting ready to do a reverse split. So people not really it's not like people too excited to be going to, buy this up right now or anything. People don't want to get caught in a reverse split. A lot of penny stock traders and fast day traders don't be knowing what they be getting themselves into. Now, there is a chance, don't get me wrong, that they can do their reverse split, get back over that dollar, and then they got the right catalyst at the right time that comes in with that bullish sentiment and makes them come in for another spike. It would be preferable if they are oversold at that exact time on their swing trade time frames, like a 4 hour chart go back down to oversold as soon as they do that split. So when they oversold there, then swing traders will feel confident in a swing trading there rather than they do it while they overbought. And then swing trader like, oh well, it's already overbought here. I am caught in a split. Let me just get out of there now. Those are things to take into consideration as well in a previous history. All right, we go look deeper into CRKN. For those of you who don't know exactly what CRKN is, Crown Electric is a company focused on developing innovative technology infrastructure solutions that benefit communities and the environment. Their key offerings are the dynamic tint technology. Crown's flagship product, Dynamic Tint, allows for transition between clear and dark in seconds. I open up their website. We can take a deeper look at everything they got going on. This technology can be applied to various windows, including commercial buildings, automotive sunroofs, residential skylights, and windows. It offers smart window inserts for retrofitting in commercial and residential settings, providing dynamic tinting along with additional insulation and soundproofing. Crown focuses on the construction of 5G fiber optics infrastructure. They provide Contracting services such as program management, engineering, and construction of aerial and underground fiber networks for the fiber optics and telecommunication infrastructure industry. Water solutions. Crown is also involved in delivering cutting edge water solutions, including the construction and slant wells and reverse osmosis plants for desalinating water. They got much going on with a smart Windows fiber business and with a smart Windows fiber optics and water solutions. And they do have some recent catalysts not too long ago. Back in 2014, Crown reported its Q3 2024 results, highlighting significant progress. And December 4th, Crown expanded its fiber optics service footprint with a leading regional internet provider in Oregon. In December 17th, Crown's Element 82 secured two new lead pipe inspection projects in New York. In December 23, Crown completed the construction of a first of its kind slant well in Mexico. And January 14th, just a few days ago, they announced a first split that should be getting them back on track if they doing the right thing. And here's a quick update about their smart window inserts.
What is a smart window insert? We took the best of both worlds by combining our patented
A quick
dynamic tint
commercial on their
technology
website.
with a window insert to make the world's first ever smart window insert. This self-contained unit allows you to retrofit any window to become a smart window. Simply take the smart window insert and snap it into your existing window frame. No screws or fasteners needed. The insert is powered by a small lithium-ion battery and a solar strip, which eliminates the need for any electrical hardwiring. Once installed, you'll be able to control the tint of your window at the touch of a button. The transition from clear to dark happens in a matter of seconds. Take control of your building's carbon emissions with Crown's smart window inserts.
Yeah, that was pretty cool to see. I'm glad we stopped to watch that. But yeah, that's how they smart windows work, man. And this is what they got going on. You know why they got this big discount? When they do come in for that split and they get back over in compliance, like I said, it's gonna be their chance. They come out with a good enough catalyst to keep it up. And keep in mind, it's gonna make their stats look different. Like their free floats and market cap, so it's gonna get way down. So it's gonna be way easier to fill that float. It'll be still exciting for people if they around that dollar. But after they do that, they gotta hold up over a dollar for like 10 days. And that's the big challenge there. If they can get that, they'll pretty much be good to go then. But in most cases, they're usually, in the case of CRKN, as you can see, they really only be selling off as they have had multiple splits before in the past. But let me know if you guys are in CRKN. I hope you found out that information was helpful. Let me know what you need updated next. I'll see y'all in there. Happy trade.